Ever heard of a bank account that lets you buy Bitcoin with a tap? Intriguing, right? That's the kind of service bitwala offers, merging traditional banking with the exciting world of cryptocurrency. But before you jump in, the question on everyone's mind, is bitwala money legit? Let's face it, the world of cryptocurrency can be a wild west. You hear stories of people getting rich quick, but also scams and hacks that leave you empty-handed. So, it's natural to be cautious. In this video, we'll be your guide, dissecting bitwala and uncovering the truth behind their services. We'll explore what they offer, their regulatory status, and most importantly, how safe your money might be. What is bitwala? Imagine a mobile app that functions like your regular bank account. You can transfer money, pay bills, and even get a debit card. But here's the twist, bitwala integrates seamlessly with the world of crypto. Want to buy Bitcoin with a few clicks? Done. Need to convert some Ethereum to spend at the store? No problem. This unique blend of traditional banking and crypto features has made bitwala a popular choice, especially for those curious about dipping their toes into the crypto pool. So, is bitwala regulated? This is where things get interesting. Unlike traditional banks, the world of cryptocurrency isn't universally regulated. Here's the key point to remember, bitwala itself isn't currently a licensed bank. However, they partner with established financial institutions to provide core banking services. This means your everyday money, the euros in your account, are likely protected by regulations depending on the partner bank. However, the crypto side of things operates in a bit of a gray area. While bitwala uses security measures to protect your crypto holdings, they aren't immune to hacks or unexpected market crashes. This is a risk inherent to any cryptocurrency exchange. Breaking down the security features. Security is paramount when it comes to your money, both fiat and crypto. Here's what bitwala offers. Two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone along with your password to log in. Biometric authentication, fingerprint or facial recognition for a more convenient and secure login. Cold storage for crypto, a secure offline storage solution for your cryptocurrency holdings, minimizing the risk of online attacks. These features are a good start, but remember, no system is foolproof. The verdict, is bitwala money legit? Here's the honest truth, bitwala isn't your traditional bank. There are inherent risks involved with cryptocurrency, and bitwala itself isn't a licensed bank. However, they do offer a unique service for those comfortable navigating the crypto space. Their partnership with established banks provides some level of security for your everyday money, and their security features offer some protection for your crypto holdings. The final word, before you dive in. If you're intrigued by bitwala and the idea of a crypto-friendly bank account, here are some final thoughts. Do your research, understand the risks involved with cryptocurrency and bitwala's limitations. Start small, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Test the waters with a small amount before committing a significant sum. Only invest what you can afford to lose. The crypto market is volatile, and there's always a chance your investment could go down. Bitwala offers a glimpse into the future of finance, but it's important to be cautious and informed before taking the plunge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.